Jai Hind students. Again, I would like to welcome in the third module of Civilizing the Native and Educating the Nation. As in the previous module, we saw the story of local schools. Now, in this module, we will see the formalization of education. Actually, education was formalized under the British rule, and here they formalized new rules. The education system became less flexible. Even after 1854, the company decided to improve vernacular education and they introduced order within the system. They set a proper routine, they formalized the routine, and they stabilize rules. They ensure inspections and government pundits to look after 4-5 pathshalas were appointed. And even government pundits were also inspected by the span of time. Regular timetable was followed and textbook system came in the schools. They had the annual examination. The students used to pay regular fees. They have fixed seats in the classroom. They did not have any kind of holidays for harvesting season, and those who cannot join was unwillingness to learn. Those pathshalas which accepted these new rules, they were given the grants, means they were given the funds, and who did not, they were not provided the money or the fund by the British government. Now we will see the agenda for national education. There was a need for Western education to modernize them. The second one, open more schools, colleges and universities. And the third one was that spend more money on education, because they realized that Indians are not civilized, neither educated. So they need to spend more money on education and make Indians educated. Now we will discuss Mahatma Gandhi's view in this regard. According to him, English education has enslaved us. So he created a sense of inferiority. We are charmed by West and admire everything from West, but the education should be for more sense of dignity and self-respect. Indian languages should be the medium of instruction. Even we have become stranger in our own lands. It was his own idea. It was his view. The Western education focused on reading and writing rather than oral knowledge, and it valued textbooks rather than life experience and practical knowledge. According to him, education to develop mind and soul. People should be educated to develop their mind and soul. All round, like drawing, people had to work with their own hands, learn craft, and know how different things operated. Literacy in itself is not education. So in this module, this much only. Please stay tuned for the coming modules. Till then, Jai Hind. Stay safe.